How are you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been curious about this little radio I showed you a couple of shows ago. This guy right here, I got this off of Amazon for $9.95. And then, like 2 days later, it disappeared off of Amazon. So I just kind of set it aside. And then this morning, the one thing that I didn't investigate is the band that shows the word NOAA, N-O-A-A, flashing. And they just call it NOAA Channel. Now they have another band, which is the NOAA weather stations, the 7 NOAA weather channels. And that works, and I got 2 NOAA weather channels, which broadcast weather information 24/7. That worked fine. But when I went to the next band, which is just NOAA, it didn't do anything. There was no audio. It just flashed. So I'm thinking that that is the frequency that NOAA uses to send out alerts for bad weather. So I set up the radio this morning. I selected that band, and I recorded the time that it started, because I also want to see what the battery life is. And it's, like I say, a shame it was a steal. Turns out it was a steal when it was on Amazon for $9.95. It must have been a mistake, because if you go to this, down here, and this is all the other things they sell, of which some of them are still on Amazon. And they're all related to jump starters and tire inflators and stuff like that. And then there's one that says, whoops, car wash, wireless car wash. Let's look at that one for a second and see if they explain what wireless car wash is. Uh-oh, there we go. Portable electric car pressure washer. Okay. Well, oh, look here. There it is. It's spewing out water. With the machine fully charged, 8,000 milliamp hour. Looks like it says can wash your car continuously for 50 minutes. Huh? I don't get that. See if it shows it down here. There's a valve right there, and then there's another connector right there. Wireless car washing. Wireless. What does that mean? Wireless car wash. Built-in battery, fully charged. Wash the car continuously for 50 to 120 minutes. Turn off the gun and automatically stop the water flow without the need of additional power supply. Car washable. Save money and time. These products are bizarre. And then there's wire inflation, a jump starter, little short cables, very small wire. Get much current out of that. Emergency lighting. Use it for a power bank for charging your cell phone and stuff like that. Tire pressure detection. Okay, this has got a hose for this one. Flexible charging for charging its power bank. I mean, these products are crazy. And like I say, some of these are still on Amazon. Now, let's go back to the one that I bought. See how I can get back to go back home. And this is their website, explorerwarriors.com. There it is right there. And I don't want that. There it is. There's the one I bought for $9. And they sell it for $59. And you can only get it down to $19 if you buy 3,000. And I've clicked on all these, and either it doesn't go anywhere, or like on Amazon, that's what you see. Sorry, the page is gone. Now, I didn't connect last time to buy at AliExpress. Okay, let's try that. So there's AliExpress. It's only $80. Plus, to deliver to United States, it's $7.20. I paid $9.95 on Amazon with free shipping. Whoa, did I get a steal on this one? Okay, let's go back. Where am I at here? So this is really bizarre. So what I'm doing, I wonder if it'll show a picture of it. There's no information about that band that's marked NOAA. And I don't see, oh, there's the battery, which, that's interesting that they show the battery and there's no cover. And let me look at mine again one second. It's right over here. No. Yeah, mine does not look like that. I mean, there's probably a battery underneath, but there's no removable cover that I can tell. Maybe? No, because I can see this part down here. It looks like mine, except backwards. Mine goes this way. The handle is on, it's reversed. And I guess they're just showing you that there's the battery that you can't get to unless you remove a bunch of tiny, they don't even look like screws. Anyway, it doesn't say anything about NOAA. See, that's what mine looks like on the back. So I guess this image is just something they produced to show you there is a battery down inside. Okay. All right. So it's also confusing. Tire pressure gauge. There it is. Measuring tire pressure. See right there with this little tiny built-in opening. There's no thing that extends this on this model. No. Oh well. So you can get one either from them for $59 or from AliExpress for $79 plus $8 shipping. Oh my gosh. This is weird. This is really, really weird. Anyway, I'm testing it to see if I do get a no alert signal, siren message, if we have bad weather, which I think we're going to have tomorrow, and also the battery life. I started about, let's see, what time is it? About 3 hours ago. It was fully charged, and the battery indicator is down to 96% after 3 hours. So we're going to see how long the battery lasts. So it's not a bad radio, and it was a great price apparently. Oh, I want to thank all of you for watching, for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, I'd appreciate it. We're getting close to 17,000 subscribers. Almost made it last year, didn't make it. So if you subscribe, that'd be great. There is a little bell you can click on to get automatic notifications that I've uploaded a video. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. And I want you to have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.